welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's 1 something, but I woke up at 11. Sorry, I'm giving you a little backstory. I woke up at 11. I was like, what should I eat? So I still haven't figured out what I wanted to eat, but I decided I should just record how to make pancakes, and I'm just gonna eat the pancakes. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about these pancakes. So I am the type of person, I can't have any burn on my pancakes. Like, the actual pancake cannot be burned. So I add butter so that can absorb all of the burn that would have been on the pancake, if that makes sense. So the butter turns like brown, and then I know when to flip it. So I'll show you guys. So first we're gonna need to add some country crock butter. So you're gonna want to add that to the pan and let it melt down. Let's add a little bit more. I added some pancake mix to a bowl. Now I'm gonna add water slowly as I mix. Guys, once your butter is all melted, we're gonna go ahead and add the pancake batter. So what I like to do, you guys, is push the butter up on the edges and around the edges at the same time. Some people wait to see a lot of bubbles on their pancake before they flip it, but I'm telling you right now, do that if you like your pancakes to be burnt on the other side, okay? What I do is I just lift up the side and take a peek at what the bottom looks like. So let me see if I can show you guys how that looks. You see? If it's not brown enough on the bottom, then I let it sit for a little bit longer. Okay, you guys, it's time to flip. What I like to do is let it sit for a little bit right after I flip it, and then I kind of like to collect all the butter around the pan. To be a little darker than this, so I just keep flipping it every so often. Alright, you guys, so here's the final product. This dark spot right here is the butter. That's what I was telling you guys in the beginning. Okay, let's put it on a plate. Here is the final product. I went on and made another pancake because one pancake just wasn't going to be enough for me. But as you guys can see, it has a nice golden brown tint to it. Ooh, it looks so good. Okay, let's add some syrup. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see in the future. Thanks for watching.